If you tend to struggle with headaches, then here are 3 yoga tips that can help to soothe your aching head. And I've tried a lot of different techniques over the years, but these are the 3 things that seem to have been the most helpful for me. So let's dive right in and I'll show you exactly how to do each one of these. Releasing neck tension. Sometimes headaches can be caused from pent-up tension through our neck and our shoulders. You see, if we hold a lot of tension through our neck and our shoulders, that can kind of tend to radiate up into the base of our skull. But even if your headache isn't caused by neck tension, soothing and relaxing this area can help to improve blood flow and help to soften some of the tension in your head anyway. This is one of my favorite neck stretches is simply first, bring your hand off the mat, tenting your fingers, then roll your shoulder back a little bit, and then gently pull away from that shoulder, and you'll get a nice deep stretch all along from the base of your skull down through the side of your neck. Opposite side, same thing. Hands off the mat, tent your fingers, roll your shoulder back, and gently pull your head away from that shoulder. Aim to hold this for about 5, 10, 15 breaths on each side. It'll take a little bit, but you'll feel things start to soften, and it'll help to release some tension and improve blood flow in that area. Supported forward fold. Forward fold is a deeply relaxing pose, and it especially helps with headaches because it really helps to improve circulation and blood flow from head to toe. But the problem in this pose is getting comfortable enough to actually relax in it so that it can offer those relaxing benefits. So there's actually a nice trick you can do with just a couple of normal pillows. Simply bend your knees and take one of the pillows and slide them underneath. The next pillow you want to hug in, placing it in between your torso and your thighs here, and then you fold forward and relax and allow the support and the coziness of the pillows to help you out. You're not worried about perfect form. You're more concerned with getting things positioned just right so that you can just fold forward, round, and completely relax. And yes, I know that alignment and proper form are very important in yoga, but sometimes if the goal is just relaxation, some of that stuff goes out the window because you want to focus on your breath and focus on a deep, comforting relaxation. And for a full, calming, relaxing class that helps to soothe your aching head, simply click on the card here above. It's roughly a 30-minute class and it goes through all the tips in this video and a lot more. But now let's move on to the third part because I've saved one of the best poses for last. Gentle Legs-Up Inversion. So I've read a lot of yoga books that recommend doing inversions for headaches, and in theory this does make sense because it does help with more blood flow there through your head and your brain. But what I found is that if the inversion is too intense, then it actually can kind of start to make things worse. But we can find a happy medium, something that still offers the benefits of an inversion without being quite so intense. You can use a chair or you can use your couch, whatever you like, just something to prop up your legs here so that they are elevated. And then having a pillow beneath you and the floor is really nice. So you'll prop up your legs and then you have the pillow there on kind of your tailbone sacrum area and you can relax on down. It looks very simple, but the trick is actually just holding here, breathing, keeping your eyes closed to kind of dial down the intensity of really anything that you're seeing or experiencing so that you can just relax and simply breathe. Again, the goal is comfort, and it's going to take a little bit, 5 to 10 minutes of simply laying there, breathing, relaxing, and just letting that headache subside. Again, for a full class to help relieve and release that nagging headache, simply click on the video here on the screen. Also, open up the description below. Tons more helpful resources for you there as well.